This is what the license plate lights look like when I took them off my 1999 Ford Escort ZX2, literally in pieces. And then when you go to buy these lenses, the price for one lens, the cheapest price that I could find, was almost 50 bucks just for the lens. I figure there's got to be an easier way. Yeah, so there's what you are going to pay for the OEM part, and that's just the lens, not the rest of the parts that also burnt up and broke and are bad. $43.11 with free shipping. That's as of April 2022. So 98 to 2003 Ford Escort. Now this is what I bought from Amazon. And these are for 94 to 2004 Ford Mustang and pickup truck. I believe that's a Ford Ranger, I'm not sure. Anyway. But 94 to 04 Ford Mustang, and the price was, yeah, $14.99. Quite a bit cheaper. Of course, you got to do a little work, like I showed you. But, you know, it's either that or you're going to spend way over $100 to fix it using OEM parts. So there you go. Light on piece and lens is the same as the Escort, but of course it had a different plug on it. So I used a soldering iron to pull the plug off, ran some short extensions and put some nice insulated connectors on there. And then I wired the other end of the connectors into the wiring in the car. So we'll show you that in a minute. There's one I've already installed, and we're going to install this one next. So the way these connectors are, this is supposed to unscrew, but of course it's not going to unscrew after 20-something years. You just grab a pair of pliers and you grab just the bottom part and you pull just the bottom part out. And then after you pull that bottom part out, here, I'll go show you what it looks like when it's out. So you pull just this piece out, and then after that's out, then this piece will pull right out. You can pop it out from the back with your finger or just pull it out with a small pair of pliers like I did. So because there's no strain relief on here and the wires are soldered to that little circuit board, what I do is I take about an inch of these wires and push it down into the socket. I'll show you what I mean. So there. It's tucked in just like that, and that'll keep the wires from getting pulled off the board, which you don't want. So we just stick that through just like that, obviously, and line up the holes, the black part up here. And that goes in there like that. And the other one goes in the other side. Like that. And then you can use a screwdriver to screw the screw in. And that'll tighten up that and hold it in place. There we go, and then of course we attach the red wire to the red wire in the car and the black wire to the black wire in the car. the wires that were going to the old license plate lights, the ones that were in pieces, just like mine in all likelihood. Holy cow, look at that, they work. And now you don't have to worry about getting pulled over because your license plate light is out.